Good boy. It's trot. Trot. Good boy. Gale. This is his second day with a harness. Couldn't find my camera yesterday, so I didn't film. Gale, trot. He's not convinced that I know what I'm talking about yet. He will be. Trot. And he likes stopping in one spot, so I need to be aware of that and be ahead of him. Good boy. Whoop, whoop. Trot. Good boy. Gale, trot. Got caught in the middle of a dust devil. This one didn't knock me over. Whoop, whoop. Come back and trot. Good boy. Now, Gale, whoa. Whoa. What a good boy. Oh, you're so smart. You're so smart. Let's trot. Trot. Good boy. Yesterday we started learning about walking. We'll see if we can do anything with that today. Gale, let's walk. Easy. Just walk. Walk. Go on. Good boy. Nope. Easy. Easy. It'll take a little bit, won't it, buddy? Walk on. That's right. Easy. Easy. That's right. Good boy. Nope. Easy. Easy. Oh, you're the one that picked it up in your mouth. Walk on. Walk on. Walk on. Easy. Easy. That's right. Gale, trot. Good boy. Gale, whoa. That's a good boy. Now let's go the other way. That's right. Gale, trot. Oh, you're willing to walk. Let's trot. Yes, you. Whoop, whoop. Let's trot. 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 It's called following directions. That's a good boy. Okay, now I want you to come down easy. Easy. And you walk. Walk. Good boy. Look at you. You got it yesterday, didn't you? Good boy. Walk on. You can walk and poop. Gale, trot. Whoop, 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 whoop. Come back. Good boy. Trot. There you go. Good boy. Yeehaw! What you bucking about, huh? Because it's fun to buck? That's fine. Now trot. Good boy. Gale, easy. Easy. Just walk. Walk. No, easy. Easy. Good boy. Gale, trot. Good boy. Gale, whoa. Whoa. Most important gate. Yes, it is. Let's go the other way. Yes. Trot. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Come back and trot. Good boy. Yes, you're a handsome boy. Easy. Easy, Gale. Easy. Easy. That's right. Walk on. It's nearly 80 degrees out here. Easy. Good boy. Whoa. And to keep him from getting too hot, we're going to quit at this point. Yes, you're a good boy. Oh, good boy. Yes. Gale, come here. Come here. Yeah. Come on. Come here. Come here. You're silly. Yesterday you did this without my asking. Come here. Come on. What? Come here. Come here. Nice little boy. When I ask them to come to me, I want them to come all the way to me to where they can touch me. Come here.